last season, and it was a little too of a touch to this, a former captain of Great Olympics, the President of the Republic of Ghana, and possibly Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and is given every. So the two teams emerge out of.
Sets of fans have really missed this fixture because
anthem of the Great Olympics,
where they find themselves with leagues they are playing.
Stadium in Legon, Hartsabok making early incursions. Olympics trying desperately to clear their lines. Here is August confident play from the Hartsabok goalkeeper. Samuel Kusi for Olympics, pushed down. Ivan Texe. Olympics on the right side of attack is across.
Philosophy Coach Masoud Didi Dramani wants to break over then. I'm quite surprised that after playing the 3-back system a couple of times in their last games, he's resorted to the 4-back system. And
swings one to the right side.
It's been paired up front, with Frank Duku today. And then
Akus delivery. Ali Mohammed was first to arrive and head the ball away for a Great Olympics. He's lurking. Mensah controls and finds Duku. Afrani. Now Befi. Kakari is getting onto the end of it. Lovely skill. He goes down, but there's no foul in it.
if they want to. Sometimes they have the ability to go long and find their wingers on the run as well. But then Great Olympics, kudos to them already. They've done a good job defensively trying to keep the Phobians at bay.
That's a push on Isio by Enoch Esubonten. Referee rightly spotted that infringement.
Yeah, a bit too aggressive there by Enoch Esubonten. See his hand just resting at the back of Augustus Esu. But so he's not offered that support for Frank Duku.
Islam against Esibe. He uses his strength to advantage. Esibe brings Islam Mohammed down. Referee whistles. Free kick, Great Olympics. Left-footed swing from Bisiu, and it's gone horribly wrong.
The roar from the stands, from the Great Olympics fans, tells you that just sums up that effort from Bisiu. Perhaps, not what he had wanted. He just looked into the sky.
Afrani, Befi's cross, blocked again. Throwing Olympics to defend.
We need to put some pressure on the Great Olympics defense. Accra has to go.
Abdul Karim with a
so
Ghazali screaming at Mensah. He needs to be careful.
yeah, he's been reckless, especially.
Bends one to the far post. Shaib stays in his post. Head away by Befi. And Abdul Karim will run to the end of it. Tries to put one. Taka stays down. Kakari trying a cheeky back heel. Boche gives the ball away. Here is Duku. Bisiu is tracking back. Duku's boys, straight rivals. Olympics and us. Drawing referee Theophilus Seche. Might just be wrapping it up for the first half of this game. Here is Hussein. Ransford Mensah's throwing straight to Atiso.
Akadavo perhaps were the better stuff with renewed energy.
Here is Befi. It's a good ball to Kakari. Down in the box for the Phobians. He wants support and Befi provides him support. But Befi's way goes low to Kakari. Curls the ball in and Hazabok have a corner. Final touch on the ball. Hazabok swings one in. Headed away by Boche. Hazabok a chance. That is clear.
He's been this evening. Just look at that. The bend of the ball. Still not shown any sort of conviction in the final third.
Watch it to the far post. Headed away by the lanky Afrani.
Ajiman just doing it all.
Mohamed. Mensah's cross straight to the Olympics goal.
Sogi, it's not being wet. You know, these are in wet conditions, but Atiso has really struggled with the first balls, and that's something hard. A minute ago seems to have felt something in his elbow.
Here is Islam, but the flag is up for offside against Abdul Karim. He used to play as right back for Nations last season. Amanko's ball. That's a poor. As the work beat Olympics, Afutu scored in that game. Right-footed cross. Here is Asma. Chance for Azabok. Paku goes past his marker. Tries to dink one to Esubontin. That's the drive, and it's the open goal. The Phobians are up by 1 goal.
It was just not danger for them until Paku had to head that one down onto the path of Asma, who just hit that one on the half volley. And Atiso, the culprit here.
That's a blunder, but Paku's corner. Headed away by Botre.
He's also really played his part in this game for Great Olympics.
Olympic in the Phobians, and the corner comes to the near post. Here's Osafuenchi, and Paco takes over for the Phobians. Again, Boche will go up to the right hand side. He's aiming at Inti. Lovely skill from Inti to go past two. This should be a yellow card. Augustus Esio
For Hartvook.
gives it away to Paku. Esubontin. Esubontin. Here is Paku. The inclusion of Paku, Asma, have brought some stability in the Azabok midfield and some creativity as well. Here is Hamza Isa. Osafuenchi unable to control well. He's got it. Bissiu. It's a good cross from Bissiu, and someone should be directing his header really well. This should have been better. Was it the bounce? Asma gives away possession. Now cancel where in pre-season. Shaib. Hatzabok. Second